dauphins sont là. Les dauphins qu'il y a ici vont pour là aussi, pour manger. Alors, moi, tu fais une fête. Ils sont tous à la chasse ici, dehors. Dolphins are mammals like we are, that's why they are coming to the surface. They are coming to their lungs like we do. And they have a pregnancy of about a year. So you can see them with babies every spring and summertime here. Les dauphins sont mammifères comme nous, ils versent pas pour respirer. Vous verrez voir, la gestation c'est un an. Tout le printemps, il était, on peut le voir avec des bébés, des légumes passent par ici pour notre corps. We have a few on the right side as well. And some on the left to the front. Each mama dolphin only has one baby at a time. They have a baby every 3 or 4 years. For the first year of life, the baby only drinks milk from the mother. After that, they start to learn how to hunt, and when they're about 5 or 6 years old, they are mature enough to reproduce. So they have to leave the group. They never stay in the same pod for too long. They change a lot throughout their whole lives. We have here a very large group of dolphins, so it is quite possible that you have some babies too. At the moment, I've only seen adults and adolescents, juveniles. La maman dauphin a seulement un bébé parfois, il a un bébé chaque 3 ou 4 ans. Pour le premier an de vie, le bébé mange seulement de lait de maman afin de prendre la
Oh my god.